But I gotta say, big ups to Masicka on filling up the Barclays Center, cementing himself as one of the only Jamaican artists to headline a solo show in the arena. And
get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Many of you would have seen his interview recently on Dion Jackson Miller, right? Big up Dion Jackson Miller. And I must say that he acquitted himself well enough.
Yes.
He never get up and walk off, he answer the question them, he not try use no elusive tactics.
A few moments later.
Alka more believing in himself. I like that.
Yeah, man.
Blessing.
Oh, I mean, he must have passed Alkaline first. I don't really feel like he passed Alkaline yet. You think Masicka is a bigger artist than Alkaline? Bro, first of all, I'm a Gaza fan. So, me not really... Yeah, but him not pass Alkaline yet. No way. Him not pass Alkaline yet.
On what basis are you saying that, bro?
In terms of his legacy in dancehall? Yeah, I don't think so. He's on the path to. He definitely could overtake
Alkaline?
Alkaline. Yeah.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
But that skill is a Masicka. It should I think a bigger superstar.
That's a good question. And I don't have the answer to that one. But
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
see, but it's not the summer song. It could have been, but it's not the summer song.
Song go on good though.
If it's not Fambo, is Alkaline Gyal good.
2,000 years later.
When it comes to skill level, bro, Masicka developed that over time. Mate, you listen to Masicka album, bro. You compare Masicka album to an NPT, bro. A day and night, BG.
No
day
comparison.
and night.
Bro,
No.
Why are you crying?
you see the lady named CJ Milan, we need to big her up some more. As she be could know say dancehall music and reggae music can go in an arena in the United States. As she invests her money in an arena so we can go in an arena. As she be could know say yo, Alkaline they can go in an arena.
We are like a city. Okay, that's right. No, what that's it.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them?
Don't know, one Media Fox pan up, you know. So people, we see Miss Kitty. You see some of the time I just listen to it, you know. You understand? Me hear people say Masicka get fight and this and that and Ray. I mean, I say, brother, when I hear some man up on the internet attack and say that I fight me, G. We don't know a real fight yet. We don't even know say Masicka are the industry puppet. You remember when Masicka tell us say, yo, if him fall, the guys are gonna fall too. We don't know what go on, man. Remember me tell you. So, Miss Kitty I go tell you what go on. See?
Skin, sheepskin, I don't know. I walk out of skin, yo, Shaka Zulu, you know, man. I was like, good God. Wow. The corners look like he's sleeping on one bed with beer, 2,000 thread count sheet. I sleep on a bed. Yo, I don't know. But I gotta say, big ups to Masicka on filling up the Barclays Center, cementing himself as one of the only Jamaican artists to headline a solo show in the arena. And incidentally,
What she say? What she say a while ago? Wait there, cause I tell you, you know, you see sometime them now, you see when the industry can control you, they will prep you up anytime, man. Remember me tell you. Let me listen to what she say again.
Cementing himself as one of the only Jamaican artists to headline a solo show in the arena. And incidentally,
Miss Kitty just say this is a disrespect to the other rest of artists them we do it. Miss Kitty say Masicka the only dancehall artist with solely headliner arena. A them thing are going right now. And a them say Masicka get fight. Yo, I can't believe say this is a radio station, this and that, and them a make them statement here based on what report them get, cause she look like she read from something. The only dancehall artist, Jaja Youth, I tell you.
his album right now, Calico, is #1 on the US iTunes reggae charts, driven by a lot of local and international acclaim. Many of you would have seen his interview recently on Dion Jackson Miller, right? Big up Dion Jackson Miller. And I must say that he acquitted himself well enough.
Yes.
He never get up and walk off, he answer the question them, he not try use no elusive tactics, and you know what I mean? For the
So right there, so you can know say Alkaline she attack. When she say walk off and tactics and all of them little things, I'm telling you already, you know. Alkaline are friendly with the industry. So them a go try do every little thing for try paint a bad picture. But in everything you have good and bad. But them now highlight the good when it comes to Alkaline. Yeah man, only the bad. Them kinda highlight. You see it? You what she just say a while ago? Cause you know prepping up for Masicka and every little thing. You notice when Alkaline do it, the youngest dancehall artist, first dancehall artist who did the youngest, nobody never say none. See it? But me I just try to show you say, if you feel like say Masicka get fight, you don't know nothing yet. You just have to see some little waste man on the internet and make some talk and in a car and all of them look something. That's all you see. Them there some mountain thing.
Part, you know, I liked how he presented himself. I like how he answered, because what I find is that a lot of these nowadays artists, you know, shy away from interviews, not because they want to or not because they want to take the hype. They just know they cannot, you know, deliver as an interviewee. So they want to.
Yo, she threw her shots off Alkaline, you know. Yeah, man. What I say, go and talk, Miss Kitty.
Ask them not because they know so them intelligence and them little tour, and so they're not very, you know, keen on the interviews. But I gotta tell you, the interviews in which I have seen him, he has acquitted himself well, and I definitely think that this album, Forever Rain, is going to be one for the book. So all the Masicka fans, good afternoon to you, and of course all the people who bought their tickets and went to Barclays. Big up, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I like that, and of course, so Annie Smith says, Miss Kitty, the interview was filled with a lot of self-praise. Annie, sing it.
Yeah, man, self-praise, man.
In a YouTube chat. And see it in a YouTube chat. Self-praise is the first recommendation. If you can't recommend yourself, who is going to recommend? And if you left it up to our black people, remember I told you, and when you're dead, you're going to hear how great you were. Enough Jamaicans, they are hard-pressed to give people their flowers. Hard-pressed to give people their accolades. Hard-pressed to acknowledge your greatness.
But Miss Kitty, you there talk and all of them something, right? Miss Kitty, you just say people give flowers when them pass away, right? But you live on a radio station and you say Masicka the only dancehall artist to solo headliner arena, right? But you have Vice Cartel, you have Alkaline and other more. See? So you I say people for do this and people don't do this, but at the same time you are do the same thing what people are do. That don't make no sense. Where you get that the argument they from? That's why I try to tell you, know. You see when no pick on the side, it kind of match like a neutral radio station or whatsoever. You see them information you wanna put out, but you are gonna say people not give artists them flowers, but you not give artists flowers same way. You understand? Cause if you say that, it show you say you try disrespect the other artists and do it. Cause you say the only Masicka just do arena. Alkaline do 2 arena. You understand? Cartel do plenty. Masicka just do 1. But you are gonna say you are the only dancehall artist to solo headline arena. But I know who write that statement there what. But I kinda understand. You see me? Masicka good youth. And you don't know. I'm a part of no system thing whatsoever. So I understand that. You see me?
Because them think they're going to swell your head. And a lot of times it is them projecting their underachievement, their non-achievement on you. Because you know, must shrink yourself to make them not feel so bad about the bad decisions that they have made. Jamaicans like to say, let's see, it goes, Cartel, right? And all of his catalogs and all of his work from, you know, time in memory.
You think Masicka has the second biggest catalog in dancehall?
No, I think he's hot.
Masicka goes over there?
Which I don't know.
Top 5? Is Masicka top 5
bro,
dancehall artists of
Cartel, Movado. Of all time. No, bro, not of all time, but you say currently, I'm hot. You get me? You can't deny that.
No, Fambo is current too. But me not put Fambo in the top 10.
You know say you're very out of order. No, Fambo can't reach in the top 10, Reggie.
So how Masicka reach in the top 10?
Fambo's a good time. But Fambo can't reach in the top 10.
Hey, big up genocide and Bray and such.
I think he's...
But no, I mean, he must pass Alkaline first. I don't really feel like he passed Alkaline yet. You think Masicka is a big...
She's a crook fan, you know, people.
That's an Alkaline. Bro, first of all, I'm a Gaza fan. So, me not really... Yeah, but he not pass Alkaline yet. No way, he not pass Alkaline yet.
On what basis are you saying that, bro?
In terms of his legacy in dancehall? Yeah, I don't think so. He's on the path to. He definitely could overtake Alkaline. Yeah, and see like Paul What about and Style say pop.
You know me realize. You see, when you not see things, you know only see things we are going to Jamaica when it comes to Masicka. At that me realize. The thing is that, see, you see, I kind of see the Jamaican market when it comes to Masicka different from what we are see outside of the world. You understand? And I kind of realize since the little fallout with Masicka and Cartel, the sympathy thing kind of rise with Masicka. You understand? And it's been years, Alkaline, you know, the industry, been a fight the youth and every little thing. But them put a blind eye to it. I was say, alright. Because remember I see him with Bob Marley, you know. You know, the Jamaican market never really give him the flowers and Ray until when him go out there in the world and do what him for do. At them time, I saw you go, man not really get crowned in them town or whatever, or the way them born or whatever. You understand? So I understand. But rate what I go on still. You see me? Rate what I go on in the dancehall. You see it? But let me tell you this. Everything are gonna make sense soon. Yeah man, everybody are gonna change them mouth. Yeah man, watch what go on.
Masicka no pass popcorn yet in our ranking.
No.
I don't think Masicka has even passed popcorn.
So top 10?
Well,
Top 10?
he might have right now. I feel like he might Tommy Lee can spot, but even then,
You know what I'm saying?
the amount of people Tommy Lee has influenced and the amount of like artists that follow Tommy Lee's style and they're like literally the current dancehall is basically all remnants of Tommy Lee's influence. I even feel like the Dark Past Lee.
Brother Tommy Lee, a good artist, you see me? Based on him have some song, him have him song them and thing. But brother, Tommy Lee and the guys I think him now go get that acknowledgement there, brother. May I tell you that. Why you think Masicka have to do for him? If Masicka is still over the guys I think, maybe would me even have meds him right now. You understand? You see it, him have to do what him do. So you don't know the attack or whatsoever. You don't say this and all of them little thing there. You see me? Cause I kind of that kind of motivate whatever him do. You see me? Yeah, people have to say, yo, yeah, I hate on him, very. You understand? All we know, we're going to follow out every little thing. So, I just saw the game set. You see me? But I go here where Jeffrey and that one, you say.
Really, I'm Masicka. I think a bigger superstar.
That's a good question. And I don't have the answer to that one. But the question I rather you ask me is which career I would have wanted if I'm an artist.
Straight on.
When I say Masicka.
That's a skill bang.
Here, alright. Tell me why that's a skill bang.
First thing.
Yes.
When them a fight for me, skill bang already is.
What is that?
She was an international superstar.
Okay. Alright.
In real life.
Okay.
Skill bang is an international superstar.
But yeah, he's an international superstar, yes. But I don't know. What wanna call international superstar because Skillibeng just the label just put in the work for him. Like Skillibeng do up that type of catalog. He have some songs, but what if the label drop him? So the label drop Skillibeng right now. What else is there? Tell me. True a man, okay, out there. You see the little thing, they might get some little features. Brother, that's not the only mark for dancehall, my G. Because, first of all, can Skillibeng pull that crowd? Like how Masicka and the other artists them do it right now? Can he perform and all of them little thing there? Yeah, man, do him little shows and everything, but that with Skillibeng I do, Skillibeng don't have a lot of achievement, my G, where some artists would have, although I say him is a superstar. You see me, which I don't kind of see that. I don't know what I mean by superstar. Yeah, he's a commercial artist, but I don't know. Full no opinion still. You see me? Sometimes I feel like when just overhype certain things. You see me? Yeah.
Oh, best
weekend was the finals and I've come to the determination what is the summer song of summer 2026.
Red Light Pepper Light?
Red Light Pepper Light. Fambo got the summer song. It sound comical, but
Fambo,
that is the summer song. That is the summer song. I know people are going to say Van Cleef. Van Cleef is not the summer song. Van Cleef start play, which party play first on the weekend? And this is just reports I've got because I was only at one event. I was at Zimmy. And he played at Zimmy and it was well received, but it's not the summer song. It could have been, but it's not the summer song.
The song
if it's not Fambo, is Alkaline Gyal good. That's not the summer song. This summer did very weak.
Bro, I guess what the matter, the summer song for the globe mean or summer song for Jamaica parties. More and more people. Because Una say, brother, Una say some look. You don't realize, I think them people that judge dancehall on Jamaican base. I thought the dancehall thing is worldwide. Because yes, it a play a best weekend and all of them look at something there. Yeah, say it take the summer. I don't understand because we see where Gyal go do the impact in the world. But the Red Light Pepper Light, TikTok and in Jamaica mostly. So I don't understand. If we now go say yeah, they look a hype around it based on the Jamaican market, we can understand that. But I not to see that in the world. But right now if Fambo go someplace in Europe or whatsoever, bro, Me not think other mark. Me see nothing going on Jamaica with trend area when him them go out to go do it a different thing, me G. You understand? So me no know. Wouldn't call from that not even actually a song, me G. That is just some little lyrics. Like what a brother did have the song name. Nobody can cross it. It not marketable like that, me G. I just we know we have a little TikTok thing and the little diaspora thing. Maybe we are tuning into TikTok but come on, me G, come on. That even make no sense. It go on, Fambo go on with that thing with that, yes, but if you are gonna say it's a song, me no know. I think them thing are judged based on Jamaica still. Me no think of the worldwide thing. Yeah, you see me?
I feel like say that's somebody that juggling. I think Steve should have put look more promotion behind Ilan Gully so it creep into this summer. I don't think it have the dominance that not this summer as I'm expecting. Would have waiting.
See, bro, Ilan Gully, brother, that's come on, G. That's like more like a Jamaican heritage thing. It's not when people hear that them a member back in the days, G. That now go really get the impact like Gyal good. I swear go, bro, nothing wrong. You see me, no matter how you market it, no really I get that. Me see this Masicka sing that in a Barclays Center, you no really get the energy, me G. Me I tell you.
You know what I'm saying? I'll tell you what I should. From my boy, the song still Fambo, Red Light, Pepper Light. That's the song. Brother, we search the song to take the summer, bro, and we not gonna lie to you. Then play a party, but if you want to Red Light, Pepper Light play, bro, we shout out the boy, Baba, big up Baba. We are Republic. I'm at the Red Light, Pepper Light, I'm on driving the Rasta key, that's my boy, man. The whole Republic I sing, bro. And there's a Van Cleaver, or a Carif Cleaver, they're gonna forward like
Red Light, Pepper Light.
You see it? So
go,
bro. The man of the summer, bro.
Yeah, I found
in a real life still.
I found both forgive. Me can't go right. I mean, no people don't want to forgive him because they have it as joke and buck ups and whatever.
And that. No, buck ups and win then.
Yeah.
And buck ups and score. It don't score.
I thought the song for summer. Undisputed. I'm gonna say.
Me tell me say yo, Jamaica some gimmicks place, you know. Remember me tell you, for them man sit down and talk about some little trending thing and brother, I saw now me meds music, me G. I don't know what else to say.
That was a good song I'm here played, but I feel that it not have more songs to go with it. The Valiant song, Influencer. I mean, not take
people want to hear them crooks, you know. Yeah, man, we want to hear what they say, man.
I mean, day and night, bro. People, when it comes to skill level, bro, Masicka development over time. Man, you listen to Masicka album, bro. You compare Masicka album to an NPT, bro. A day and night, bitch.
No
day
comparison.
And night, bro.
No comparison.
People, they have to rate so the man album bigger than NPT, charge it. I'm not taking nothing from Alkaline. I'm not taking nothing from none of them. Because Alkaline a good artist and he have a big song. Yeah, he have a bigger song than Masicka. If you want to put it away.
He's a good artist.
Bigger artist when it comes to him. But when it comes to skills and when it comes to raw talent, bro, none of them have be like Masicka, bro.
No.
And you talk about flow. Yes, when you talk about flow, no dancehall artist, not even cartel now flow like Masicka. But listen,
yo, sometimes it's interesting to listen to crooks, you know. You see, you know why? Because sometimes when you see Masicka perform them same song where them attack, the crowd just stand up on him. Yeah, man. Them big talk and everything. All me I say, I hope you get that major hit songs, you know. Because I kind of realize that you just run with just hype and them little thing there. True, you don't know Alkaline drop him album, Cartel drop him album, so you just compare with the other artists, them album and a bag of thing. That me realize because you don't usually drop albums so early. I'm more like December. But go and do the thing still, you see me? Only the music speak. Let's see how much of the hit song because Masicka has some good album. And not just that. Masicka has some good album. But it's like the songs them not really go wait for go. You see me?
4-4. 4-4. Them not bother with the flow argument again. You know
they're not bother with it. They're not bother with it.
We not hear it again from the album drop. Them not bother with it.
They're not bother with it.
Brother, you have to just understand, say the project have a lot of collaboration on it, so come on. It have to sound different. You understand? Yeah, because you have to sing it for kind of match with the next artist and you understand? It's a different thing, this, my G.
You know?
Brother, all over you talk about the man album, friend. Billboard itself posts up the dog thing, brother.
Yes,
right.
Saw that.
Man, I didn't think that we talk about history.
Yeah, man, that's how the crooks them people. Make them go and do them thing. You see me? Yeah, man. So people, I see this, you know. See it? I see that brother, yeah. That's how I tell you, say, yo, some of the time people, enough of them people want to call fans is not fans. Them are just some fans. When an artist at the moment, them say the artist them a carry. You understand? Switchy fans. So look at that brother, you say, Alkaline was my artist back in the days, but me nah lie, him fall off bad. Masicka, I'm an artist now, and the man never disappoint. Argue with yourself. Alright, go on do your thing, man. Go on do your thing. I hope when that time forward for Masicka, you know switch. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. That's what I tell you, say, yo. Yeah, people I say them are fans. Me deal with loyal people, loyal fans. Me not deal with people when them only are rep you when you're hot at the moment or whatsoever. Because Masicka do him thing, you know. Everybody get that moment, them G. Gyal get him arena moment last game, drop him album, get that little moment there. Alkaline get him back center on him album. No, Masicka get it. The man make it seem like, whoa, the whole world and all of them look a thing there. Because him out of the, you don't know the three artists them Ray. Him at the last one before drop, so I just common sense that. But make we see what I go on, man. You see me?
The lady named CJ Milan who need to big her up some more. And she be could know say dancehall music and reggae music can go in the arena in the United States. And she invest her money in a arena so we can go in the arena. And she be could know say Vice Cartel can go in the arena. She be could know say yo Masicka Alkaline they can go in the arena. She be could know say all of who.
Brother, you're wrong. Alkaline being first arena in the UK, my G. And that was not CJ Milan. You know I get it wrong. You understand? Yeah, that going for Masicka and Cartel, but Alkaline they in a UK arena. That was not CJ Milan. You understand? So get no facts straight, my G. I say some of the time when I just look on the things and we are trend and hype and now look on the reality. Alkaline first arena was in UK. You understand? UK, we call it OVO. Then him come do one in the US now. You understand? Because on the first Alkaline I do stadium already from in a local stadium there over, what you call it, in a New York. You see me? Already. So I know the first artist been a perform in a stadium. You see it? Yeah, so I just one of them thing there, but now look and they look a hype thing through the Vice Cartel and the prison hype and the bag of arenas. You understand? Yeah, but Alkaline in an arena before him start work with CJ Milan.
When we see they're going to the Barclays Center in America, can go in there. Other promoters never did do it, and they could have do it. But then they do it. So instead of they feel like we want disrespect CJ Milan, we need to pick up CJ Milan for what she have done. And she give us the historical movement there in a New York, in a Florida.
Yeah, man, we have to big her up for that, man.
In a Georgia, and she invest her money in our music. She never did have to do it. If she never do it, you think we don't see Vice Cartel in the arena? We don't know. We don't see Masicka in the arena? We don't know. Alkaline in the arena, in a Barclays? We don't know.
So we the people, them say, Alkaline are gain no fans. I tell you, say Alkaline music is a different type of music. Yeah, man, I say it go. For learn the music.
And then this one.
Yeah, man, them say Alkaline are gain no fans. Look what I go on now. In a little me have it in his hand, oh please.
That was my boy.
Oh, yeah, like it.
What you know, people?
I think this is a dance already.
It is a dance.
Yeah, but it didn't go to that song.
Yo, yeah, tell it. Yo, music just nice, yeah, man. Music just nice. You see me? Every day people listen and learn and get to know about artists, you see me? Yeah, man, but I saw it go still. You see, Alkaline are going to do some great things in a dancehall, man, but we're glad how we see how everybody move. You couldn't be a Vendetta fan, you understand? Because Vendetta fan bring loyalty. And that's why you can see a fan saying usually say Alkaline, no, you must say Masicka. Him is not a Vendetta fan. Him is just a fan where anywhere the place are going with the artist are going with something, them just jump on that. You understand? Yeah, because the industry a push Masicka, you see me? So it's like, okay, the hype and the trend and every little thing, that's how go on. You see me? So right now, Alkaline is to put out in music. What go on right now, there's some controversy. You see Masicka doing bag interview them, call up Vice Cartel name, all of them little thing, they say some bag thing. You don't know, seem like how Alkaline doing arena and what you call it, an album. Yeah, I same thing with Masicka. Him come to the same thing. So I saw you go. You have to just see and learn. You see me? Because maybe if Alkaline never do it, he would do it either. You see me? Yeah. But You have to always see somebody do it for kinda see what I go on. You see me? But you don't know you go to work already. Sometime in life, when you see too much people like you something wrong, you have to have some type of haters. Something wrong. It have to have, you know, ups and down thing. You see me? Roller coaster. Nothing will just run smooth, so. You see me? Yeah. So, everybody do them thing. You see me? Masicka just drop him album. You know, everybody them crooks are gonna say them thing. Very. See me with Alkaline, see me with Cartel. I just one of them thing, the people. You see me? But you see, reality proves everything. And everything are gonna make sense soon. And remember this, them not seen nothing yet. Wait till Alkaline drop that up there. Yo people, big up on yourself. You don't know 1 meter Fox Bunny up, you know. Yeah man, respect for the support. That is it.